Hi all, Ankit Kishore this side from Striply team and I welcome you back to our channel. So this is a Bank Nifty chart and these levels are marked using volume profile. But before giving analysis for tomorrow, let me give you a follow-up of yesterday's analysis, yesterday levels. So these are yesterday levels, and if you will see how continuously from past many days market is respecting our levels. Here market sustained for quite a long time, and after giving breakdown it has given a very good move, and here it has given a fake out which might have hit all of us as well, and after again it has given entry at the same level, and this time it has given quite a good move. I hope you have made money today. So now getting directly into the analysis part for tomorrow. So this is Bank Nifty new levels. So this will be a sideways zone for us, this will be a gap down zone for us, and this will be a gap up zone for us. In all three cases the analysis would be same, means here you have to take entry as and when this gets broken, and here you have to take entry as and when this gets broken, okay, in both these cases. But seeing today's move, I'm quite bearish as of now for today, for tomorrow at least, okay, because if you'll see the delta here, means these are very big volume, these are volume of 1,90,000 something like that. So because of that they are not making their position just for this much of profit. They are expecting at least 500-600 points more, because if you will count from here to here, you will see this is around 33,100 and this will be 31,700. This should be the least which they might be expecting. That's what I feel. Okay, so I am little biased toward bearish move, but I won't suggest you to be biased toward anything. You just have to follow levels, and that's why I am suggesting you to please take a screenshot of these levels, so that because I am not gonna post that anywhere, so you have to take a screenshot. Please take a screenshot, okay? So yeah, the levels are same. What else I have to say? Means if market opens sideways and after opening sideways, this will be a no trading zone, because you will see in the past 1 hour market sustained here, and both bull and bears were fighting here, so this will be a no trading zone for us. You only have to take entry if from here bulls are showing their strength and this gets broken, or bears are showing a strength and this gets broken. Same applies to gap up and gap down, because I am not means I never give explanation on big gap up and give big gap downs, okay? So if market opens big gap down in this zone, okay, you don't need to trade in this zone. And for gap up, if market opens somewhere here, then you can take entry for upside move, because then these sellers will be a trapped seller, and they might come into panicness, and because of which they might square off their position, and because of them this might convert this move into a short covering move. Okay, I hope you are understanding. So this is how you have to trade in sideways analysis and in gap down and gap up opening. Okay, this is how you have to trade. One more thing, this is our Telegram channel. If you want to join our Telegram channel, the link is already in the description box. Please join using that link. We have given 2 entries today in HDFC Life, and one more thing was SBIN. Okay, and we also have given the analysis behind them, so for your better understanding of levels, for better understanding of your entry and exit point. So I please do join that channel. Okay, thanks a lot for your time. Bye bye. And one more thing, if you are liking our content, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.